What's up, everybody? Supreme Decisions here, and today, actually, give me a second, because I want to talk about something. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning out here. But today, I want to discuss the video in which I put up the Georgia State Troopers, in which the entire 106 class was suspended because they were all rehired except for one. And the one that didn't come back actually just did something else. But there are 29, 5 years later, 29 officers that are currently working as Georgia State Patrol. Now, what was funny was I'm reading the comments, I'm replying and all that good stuff, but it also showed me exactly some of the stuff I speak about, because there are a lot of people out there that need to believe that police officers are good. They need to believe that these are intelligent people and that all the stuff that I'm saying about them is not correct. And I even had one to go as far as saying, well, they've cleaned up the system since then. That doesn't happen anymore. Well, I'm gonna give you another incident from Georgia, because again, next two incidents I'm gonna speak about are from Georgia and involve the exact same type of cheating. And this one is Riverdale, Georgia. And it deals with these certifications, let's put it be. It's a certification exam that has to be done, part of the 20 hours per year that each police officer has to do in order to remain a police officer for the most part. Well, Captain Kirby G. Yes, Captain Kirby G. as well as Lieutenant Vanexia Singh, or Shreng. I'm gonna put the names up so you can actually see them, put a picture up for them. Now, again, Captain, got a little rank. And Lieutenant, you know, all these people, well, I need to talk to your captain. I need to see your lieutenant. Now, they got caught cheating because Lisa K. Mitchell-Jones actually took the test for them. Now, the test she took was for the ability to run a driver's license, registrations, and license plates. Now, if you fail this class, you can't legally do any of that stuff. And this is where it's fun, because now you have something else that you can include in discovery when they run your license plate, when they run your license, when they do any of these things that have to verify with your identity. You got something else that you can look for, because if they were not certified at the time, that search was illegal. But again, you had a captain who was caught cheating because, now get this, he's a captain. He couldn't read. Kirby G3, a captain in the police force. So he's ranked, he's up there, he's got some time. He can't read. How did he become a captain? Better yet, how did he become captain? He can't read. How does he know law? Because I never heard of an intelligent person not having the ability to read, because that's part of intelligence. But again, I just talk. I'm just saying things. And even as close as less than 6 months ago, Augusta, Georgia had an entire police class that was part of their school system. You know, the ones that'll watch our children. All of them cheated. Again and again. It was lieutenants, it was higher ranking supervisors, along with the cadets, that all cheated on these exams that allowed them to keep being or even become police officers. Now, why do I keep bringing this up? Because you have to understand, the police officers are your first contact or dealings with any type of situation that deals with law or even going to a criminal court system. Now, if they're not able to do their job properly, because I also tell you that they don't know or not trained on how to actually investigate or even solve crimes. These are the things I'm trying to show you. These are not just words I'm picking out the air and just saying. These are actualities. They're not trained to do any of the things that they're doing. That's why they can't do them properly. This is why you should challenge them at every aspect of it. Not just assume because they put on a uniform they know what they're doing. I don't assume that everybody that works at McDonald's knows how to cook fries. Always understand, challenge everything, and this is why.